Okay, so today we're going to talk about a company that has a pretty radical idea for the rental market. It's called GoRent. And, its mission is to completely flip the script on who actually owns the platforms that agents depend on every single day. Let's get into how they're planning to pull this off. This right here, this is the core belief that drives absolutely everything GoRent does. You see, while so many tech companies are obsessed with replacing people with code, GoRent is betting big on the exact opposite. Their whole argument is that the agent is and always will be the most vital part of the whole equation. And that one simple idea, well, it sets the stage for a totally different way of doing things.
So you might be wondering, if the agent is so important, why build a new platform at all? Well, it's all about solving what's called the agent's dilemma. Because right now, the very professionals who make this entire market tick are facing a serious squeeze.
I mean, just look at what they're up against. You've got these huge, centralized platforms that suck up most of the money, which of course crushes the profit margins for independent agents. Then, on top of that, you've got the looming threat of AI making the old ways of working obsolete, and the technology you need to compete just keeps getting more and more expensive. It is a really tough spot to be in.
And this is where GoRent solution really comes into play. See, instead of just building another tool for agents to pay for, they're proposing a massive shift in the power structure itself. They're basically asking a game-changing question. What if the users became the owners?
And this slide just breaks it down perfectly. On the left, that's the old way, right? You, the agent, are just a user. You do all the legwork, hustling for listings, closing deals, and all your effort builds value for the platform. It builds their equity. But look at the right side. With GoRent, you're an owner. The whole platform is designed to share value, which means your hard work builds your own equity. Your success and the platform's success are one and the same.
And listen, this isn't just some nice-sounding promise. We're talking about real skin in the game. GoRent has set aside a partner-agent equity pool of a full 20%. Now, in the tech world, reserving a chunk of the company that big just for its users, that's a huge statement. It's real, tangible value for the people actually building the network.
And here is the absolute key to the whole thing. You don't buy your way in. Ownership is earned. Agents get their stake by contributing to the platform's success. So think of it like this. Every high-quality listing you post, every deal you close, it's like you're earning points that translate into a bigger piece of the company. This completely levels the playing field. It's about performance, not how much cash you have to invest.
Okay, so besides the ownership part, what does GoRent actually do for agents? Well, they describe their platform as the Shopify for rentals, and the goal is to seriously empower every single independent agent out there. So what does that Shopify analogy really mean? Well, think about what Shopify did for small businesses, right? It gave anyone the tools to build a world-class online store and compete with the big guys. GoRent wants to do the exact same thing for rental agents. Give them a complete enterprise-level tech suite so they can operate at a massive scale without having to work for some giant corporation.
And we're not talking about just a few basic features here. This is a serious tech stack designed to fix the biggest headaches an agent faces. I mean, imagine an AI that qualifies all your leads for you, freeing up hours of your day. Or a smart matching system they call Magic Match that instantly finds the perfect renter for a property. It's the whole shebang. A full suite of tools designed to put an agent's workflow on steroids. This quote right here really gets to the heart of their entire philosophy on tech. GoRent doesn't see AI as this scary thing that's coming to take jobs. No, they see it as a powerful lever. The goal was to let AI handle all the boring, repetitive, time-sucking tasks so that the agent can focus on what only a human can do, build relationships and close deals. It's all about scaling their human expertise. And this is the part that ties it all together. If the AI helps an agent double, triple, or even quadruple their business, the massive value created by that new scale doesn't just flow to the tech company. Nope. Because the agent is an owner, they get a piece of the enterprise value that they helped create. They literally own their own scale. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds really nice and fair, but is it actually a good business strategy? Well, GoRent argues that this model isn't just about being fair, it's strategically superior. There's a powerful commercial reason why giving agents ownership actually builds a better, stronger, more valuable company. The logic is actually super straightforward. It's like a chain reaction. First, ownership creates a deep sense of responsibility. I mean, you just care more when something's yours, right?
That sense of responsibility then drives much better performance. Agents are genuinely motivated to provide amazing service. And when the entire community is performing at that high level, the value of the whole company goes up, benefiting every single owner.
And when you get everybody's incentives aligned like this, all these incredible things start to happen. The quality of listings shoots up because every owner cares about the collective brand. The data gets way more accurate, and here's a really interesting one. Recruitment becomes peer-driven. Every agent actually has a good reason to bring other great agents into the network. It completely flips the script from competition to collaboration.
So what's the big picture here? What does this all add up to? Well, if this model works the way they think it will, it's not just a win for the agents. It has the potential to create a much better outcome for the entire rental world.
Let's just break down who wins. For the partner agents, it's a no-brainer. They get real equity and amazing AI tools. But landlords also win because they get way better representation from agents who are truly accountable. And at the end of the day, renters win too. They get faster responses and much better, smarter property matches from a community of top-tier professionals.
And this really boils it all down to their rallying cry. It's so simple and so powerful, built by partner agents for partner agents. This isn't some tech company in a high-rise telling agents how to do their jobs. It's an entire system being built from the ground up by the very people who will use it and own it.
This brings us to a super important distinction. GoRent is not trying to be just another property portal that aggregates listings. It's building the underlying operating system for the industry. And the people on it aren't just users to be squeezed for profit. They are partner agents, co-owners who are building a shared future together.
So, as we wrap up, this whole model leaves us with a really powerful question to think about, one that goes way beyond just real estate. As technology and AI continue to reshape pretty much every industry, who should own the new tools of the trade? The companies that build them, or the professionals who actually use them to create all the value? GoRent has a very clear answer.
Okay.